Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a vintage Coach classic to share with you. Here is the court bag. So this bag was made in the 90s and the style number is 9870 and it was made in the US. So here's what the bag looks like. Here's the front. As you can see, it's got a top handle and then it's also got a crossbody strap that attaches to these side D-rings. They easily attach like so, and then they have this adjustable strap as well, so you could obviously carry the bag as a crossbody like this, or you could just carry it by the top handle. It looks like the crossbody strap doesn't have much wear to it, so it looks like it probably wasn't used a ton that way. It was probably carried more by the top handle. But that's what the front looks like. Then here's the side, and then here's the back, and it does have a nice, pretty deep slip pocket in the back. You could easily put your phone in there if you like. And then here is the other side, and then here's the bottom. So this bag's still in pretty good condition. Looks like it was just probably gently used. And then I'll open up the turn lock. Here's what the inside of the bag looks like. It's got another slip pocket here in the front, and then here is what the inside, the main compartment, looks like. So it's got a fair amount of room inside of the bag, and then it does have a zip pocket here in the back and another little pocket compartment back here. And then the creed is back here. I don't think I can easily pick it up on camera, but I will insert a photo now. So the serial number on the creed is slightly faded, but you can see that it does say 9870 at the end of the serial number, which is the style number. And then it does have the correct country code for the US. So that's the court bag for you. It's, like I mentioned, a classic, popular vintage Coach bag. I think that it's probably one of the more popular styles. It seems like Coach probably sold a lot of them when they were making them back then. So anyway, if you guys want to check out this bag further, I will, like always, link it below in our Etsy shop, and I will also include all the information that I gave about this bag in the description bar if you guys also wanted to reference that as well. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next bag tour.